Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and it's time for a haul. I'm really excited to film this haul because I have not been shopping at Bath & Body Works or Victoria's Secret in a little while. I want to say a long time, but it's probably been like 2 months. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I did combine these for one reason really, is because I didn't get a whole lot of Victoria's Secret. I just did 7 for $28 panties. I will put those at the end just in case you don't want to see them. You can just watch the Bath & Body Works and then be on your way. I know some people don't like to see the underwear. So I did take 2 trips to Bath & Body Works. So I'm going to do this first bag first. I'm gonna do this bag first. So I went and I was a little captivated by a lot of like mermaid inspired things and then some other things that I just thought would be great for summer. So the first thing I got that I saw was this bath bomb, or it's a mermaid bath fizz. It says Smith & Vandiver Naturals. But it looks so pretty and it smells amazing. I can't really tell exactly because it kind of just smells like fruity floral, if that makes sense, but look how adorable. I need to do a picture with this in some capacity. I think that would be really cute, but I had to pick it up when I saw it. I was like a sucker. I'm a sucker. So next, another mermaid inspired thing I just thought was really cute, and it was inexpensive. It was $5.50, and then they also had a coupon. I think I used 20% on that particular day. This little pouch is like a little makeup bag, says signs you could be a mermaid. That's what the front looks like. I love like the little foiled look of it, so it's like, I don't know, so it's nice and shiny. And then there is reason, so it says don't like to run, drink like a fish, love to play in the waves, and beach hair 24/7. I literally just, it could have just said the first 2 and I would have been sold. I also did buy 3 get 3 free. So I did 2 different scents and I did 3 products in each scent. So first is the Fresh Sea Salt Mango. I got the shower gel. It says with Tahitian Manoi oil. It's also really pretty and summery and I just couldn't pass it up. It looks amazing. And it says this one is Mango, Sea Salt Breeze, Sun-Kissed Clementine, Watery Musk, and Orange Blossom. Also in that scent, the Fresh Sea Salt Mango, I got the Aqua Cool Aloe Lotion. I got these a couple summers ago. I want to say it's 2 summers ago that I got the aloe gel lotion, and I really liked it. It's just got this really nice texture to it. It's light and gel-like, because a lot of times in the summer, I stop wearing lotion as much simply because I feel like I get sticky or gross if I get too hot, and I'm down here in Alabama. It's freaking hot. So this is really nice. It's so light. It just melts right in and you don't even like feel it afterwards. And this one is really fresh. It's like a fresh, clean, watery scent. The third thing I got is the Fresh Sea Salt Mango, same scent, with Tahitian Manoi oil, and this is the Cooling Aloe Mist. I just thought this would be really cool to take with me if I'm going somewhere where we're going to be outside, or if we're going to the beach. Ooh, I'm gonna like spray some. It's so refreshing. Oh, I smell amazing. So that is the little trio I got in Fresh Sea Salt Mango. And then I basically got the same things in another scent called Island White Sand. It also has that Tahitian Manoi oil. And the notes are sparkling tangelo, sheer sands, white orchid, island driftwood, and coconut water. And it's really cute. I love the leaves on the packaging. Looks super summery yet again. I also got the Aqua Cool Aloe Lotion in the same scent. And then I also got the same thing, which is the Cooling Aloe Mist. It's going overboard, but I'm going to spray this one too. Oh, and this one is like coconuts and sunscreen is what it reminds me of. And I also got 2 hand sanitizers. I got I'm Really a Mermaid and Pineapple Colada. Who goes into Bath & Body Works without leaving with a hand sanitizer? I don't know. They get you. It's right there. Pineapple is like my favorite. I love pineapple. And the mermaid one smells really like fresh and clean. And then I had to get this. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little back holder. It's an octopus and she's got a little crown and she lights up. Look how cute. So you You won't lose it. I went to a Bath & Body Works a second time, and this time I went on Memorial Day, so they had $12.95 candles. I didn't go too crazy. I only got 2. So the first one I got is Summer Boardwalk. First of all, ugh, love it. It's got like the little hammered looking metal. It smells so freaking good. It says this one is caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salty sweet cream. Whatever it is, I like it. This one's like hard to put a finger on just because it's sweet. I don't know. It's sweet and perfect, and I would love to go to a boardwalk that smells like this. The second one has the same little lid, and this is Beach Copper Coconut. I love the little palm trees. I want to go. I want to go to that beach. This is very like coconut. What else does it say? It says raw coconut, sea salted shells, and soft amber. It's a really nice coconut. I love it so much. I also am a little bit of a sucker, and I got this starfish that goes on the top of your candle. So basically, you literally can do that. And he just hangs around. You can put him off to the side if you want, but I thought it would be really cute. And you could always stick this to your fridge too, and it was only $3.95, and I did use a coupon, and so I got those 3 things. I had a coupon for 10 off 30, so I had to spend like literally like less than $1 more. I think it was like 65 cents or something. So I did get another pocket back, and this is the Llama Corns Sweet Rainbow Fizzy Fruity Pop. And who doesn't love that? Oh, it smells good. It smells nice and fruity. So that's everything I got from Bath & Body Works. Now on to my little Victoria's Secrets bag. So if you don't want to see, this is all underwear. If you don't want to see those, then thank you for watching. For those of you who do want to see them, I'm going to jump in. So they had the Panty Party going on, which was 7 for $28. And I did like mix and match. So I got some pink, and then I got some regular Victoria's Secret ones. This first pair is a thong, and this one was from like the regular Victoria's Secret side. So it's like this. It's got this really cool, like, I just think this looks like summery, nighttime, summer at night. And then it's just a thong in the back. So there you go. This next pair is from the pink collection. I think I literally picked up the 2 thongs that I actually got first. So this is from the pink side, and this is just like a really nice soft material. And in the back, it looks like these. Really cute, summery. I love the color. And then this one is also pink. This is a cheekster. So it's got like this nice band that says pink across it. I think you can see it. It's just like bossed into the material. The front has like these shimmery little stripes on it, and then it's more of like a sheer mesh type material in the back. Next, these are from the regular Victoria's Secret side, and these are a cheeky as well. And these are really lacy and soft. They've got like this lime green print, and it looks almost like little palm trees or something with lace all the way around. And that was that pair. The next one is just a regular Victoria's Secret. This is a hip hugger. I like to mix it up and get like different styles, so no matter what I'm wearing, I have something. And these are kind of comfy and soft. They've got that palm design too. I don't know if it's gonna pick that up and let you see that very well, but it's just like a printed, it's like printed into the material. It's not colored. And then the back is a ruche down the seam. And then I also just got a regular bikini and just plain black. Always need a pair like this. Basic but necessary. I got one more pair, and this one I thought was really, really cute. This is from the pink collection. It's also a cheekster. So it's got like a satiny type material, and then it's got a mesh little band, which I just thought was really cute and kind of simple but really pretty. I love this like a blush pink color. So that's everything I got from Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing it, and if you want to see me check out the semi-annual sales that are coming up and do hauls for you, then drop that in the comments below. And of course, if you like these type of hauls, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.